Bactivate Plant Stimulant, the ultimate organic solution for your backyard, lawn and agricultural needs. Packed with 18 types of amino acids, Bactivate Plant Stimulant boosts plant health naturally. Why Bactivate? It's all about the hormones auxins, cytokinins and gibberellins. These powerful plant hormones enhance root growth, nutrient uptake and overall plant strength. The result? Lush, resilient plants that are more resistant to drought, nutrient deficiencies and even some diseases. Bactivate Plant Stimulant is environmentally friendly, produced using a unique method that preserves more bioactive substances without overusing chemicals or heat. It's simple to use. Just mix and spray. For healthier, greener plants, trust Bactivate. Visit our website to learn more about how Bactivate can transform your garden.